Okay, so, and basically I'm just going to be layering colors on here. Not in any particular order, except I do like green next to blue and green and purple. So. What would you like?
I'm just watching for a second.
Oh, you're watching me?
Get it wet and then you put it down.
Get it wet and then I put it on, right. Whoops, a little too much there. But basically, any place it's not supposed to go, I can just brush real gently. If the purple comes off, I can put it back on.
All right.
It doesn't have to be perfect. Okay.
Just move around my finger there. I'm not saying it's not good.
There it is. So yeah, it's kind of sparkly. Sparkly. Just kind of. But that's what I wanted. Okay, and then I got to do the other side. But I am going to put this one on. Let me grab these little guys. They're going to be, oh, the green ones.
Touch of gold. I'm going to paint this and put it on there, I think.
And you have the royal icing bag too?
Right there.
That pig.
I'm sorry.
It's hogging all the equipment. I missed you when you're gone, and then yeah.
Then I hung it on back.
That's okay. I'm good.
You'll get used to it.
Okay, so we're just going to put some royal icing, a big nice dab of it here. To hold this on, hopefully. Take off the excess. Okay, we're going to use it anyway. I could have just luster dusted it, I suppose.
I'll use the knife tool.
Mary's ready to take your place.
She is. Okay, let me get the dragées, the silver dragées. Okay, and I will clean up the icing in a minute. Now, icing does not like to stick to the luster dust, just so you know.
Ah. Whoa. Do a few other little things here. Are you using green by any chance?
Silver. No. Which green do you want? The teal or the
Yeah, I'll use the lime.
Okay, I'm going to paint this with to make it silver. This is going to be silver.
Those are cool.
What's that? The shapes?
Yeah.
Yeah, they are. They're a set, and I've used them before.
Why, thank you, Michael.
On the Queen's request.
Yes. Yep, that's right. On the Queen's request, I use these.
Oh, that's right. Very cool.
Yeah, they're very cool.
Look how cool that is.
This is very sparkly.